And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Look what they sent me today. They sent me a pen type gas leak detector. And we're gonna check this out, see if it actually works. Now I've already opened this box and I put 2 AA batteries in, but we're gonna go ahead and get it open and give it a test right quick. Seems like a pretty cool device. So let's go on over to the stove. So as per the instructions, you have to turn this on and let it power up. Now if you look here, if you can see this, you'll see the little leads going up and down, up and down. That's letting you know that it's powering up. And as soon as it powers up, we should hear a beep, and that's mean it's ready to detect gas, y'all. Oh yeah, see, there you go. So we ready to check. Now right now I don't have the gas on, and I'm pressing the green button to see if it sniff any gas, and it's not sniffing anything, yeah. So let's go and turn that gas on and see what it do. Oh yeah, see, instantly it detected that gas, y'all. It detected it. Red, saying the levels is high. And as soon as we get it back over, start detecting it again. So yeah, we know it'll work on the inside. Let's see what it'll do for the propane. So this is my propane burner for my griddle. And right now the gas is off. Once again, it's not detecting anything. And as soon as I turn that gas on, look at that. It detected it out here too, y'all. Sounds like a winner to me. Sounds like a winner to me. But of course, I plan on running into some more tests next time I do a furnace or something, y'all. So look for an update on this video. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.